Found an EUL file in a software installation? This is typically an end-user license agreement document file used during software installation processes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view these license agreement files. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the EUL format and dozens of others obsolete. EUL files are document files containing end-user license agreement text displayed during software installation. They contain legal terms governing software use, including licensing rights restrictions, warranty disclaimers, and other legal provisions that users must accept before completing software installation across various commercial and open-source applications. EUL document files typically use plain text or RTF format, storing the EUL a legal text with possible formatting like headers, paragraph breaks, and emphasis. The format may include metadata about the software version, applicable jurisdictions, and license type. Some installers use proprietary formats requiring the installer for proper viewing. Your first application to test with EUL should be Notepad++ from Don Ho. The decompression process demands a dedicated application for safety and accuracy. Windows provides limited document tools, so proper editing requires dedicated applications. We are initiating the compatibility check. Right-click your EUL file and choose Open With. Your best bet is Notepad++. Test it now. If it's unavailable, select another listed application to check its reading ability. If the EUL file won't open, don't panic. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, opening as text. Open EUL files in any text editor like Notepad, WordPad, or Notepad++ for plain text viewing. If the file uses RTF format, Microsoft Word or LibreOffice Writer displays formatted text correctly. The license terms display readably, enabling review of the agreement before deciding whether to install the associated software. Next, viewing in installer context. Run the software installer associated with the EUL file. The installer displays the EULA in its proper context, with accept and decline options as part of the installation flow. This authentic presentation matches how the software vendor intended users to view and respond to the license agreement. Finally, saving for records. If installing commercial software, save copies of EUL files for your records. License terms may change between software versions, and having copies of agreements you accepted provides reference if questions arise. Store EUL files alongside software receipts and installation documentation for complete software acquisition records. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.